लेकिन ये क्या, गले लगते ही उनकी आंखें बाहर आईं। ये देख यशोदा व रोहिणी की आंखें भी। वैसे माँ देवकी की आंखों में आंसू आना स्वाभाविक भी था। आप तो जानते ही हैं कि हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे को आज तक देखा नहीं था, क्योंकि मेरे पैदा होते ही पिताजी मुझे बेहोश माँ के पास से उठाकर ले गए थे। निश्चित ही ये हमारे दुर्भाग्य की पराकाष्ठा थी, जो हम पूरे 9 वर्ष बाद पहली बार मिल रहे थे। और ये कैसे भूला जा सकता है कि उस दुर्भाग्यशाली माँ का मैं ही एक पुत्र था जो जीवित बचा था। There is a Vaishnav couple, I know, पति पत्नी हैं। वैष्णवों में आम ग्रीटिंग होती है जय श्री कृष्ण। रोज सुबह वो पत्नी ने ये नया अंदाज अपनाया था। वो सुबह उठते ही जय श्री कृष्ण कहती। 6-7 दिन के बाद पति ने कहा कि ये जिस कृष्ण की तू रोज सुबह जय बुलाती है, पता है ना उनकी एक राधा भी थी। उसे नहीं पता था कि उनकी रुक्मिणी कितनी रूठ जाएंगी। यहां बात है कि जब राधा रूठ गई थी कृष्ण से, तो क्या हुआ था। Finally, my patience wore out. How long could I pacify her? I had done whatever I could to mollify her. If Radha could not be appeased, then so be it. I gave up. She was older than me, and yet she was behaving in such an obstinate manner. Then why should I trouble myself over her? And since my ultimate weapon, my flute too, had failed, I decided that there was no sense in lingering around with her any longer. The least that I could do was to go back and attend to the people of Vrindavan. With this thought, I got up, held Radha's hand to help her stand up, and we set off towards her house. And unbelievably, she did not utter even a single word on the way back either. Well, there was nothing more that I could do. Instead, I was getting annoyed by her stony silence. Nevertheless, on the way back, I made yet another attempt to reason with her. Why leave defeated and depressed, especially when the matter concerned Radha, who was dearer to me than life itself? Moreover, we had passed the Yamuna long back and were just about to enter the village, which meant that it was a now or never situation. With this thought, I gently stroked her hair and said, Radha, you know that my love for you is boundless. You also know that since my uncle has sent me an invitation to visit Mathura and participate in a competition, I have no option but to go. Besides, you should be happy that your Kanhaiya is getting an opportunity to visit such a big city. And why are you forgetting that I will bring you many beautiful clothes from there? Forget all that, but at least try to understand that unless you send me off lovingly, I will remain dejected and will just roam around the new city like a madman. Hence, it'll be better if you send me off with a beautiful smile. Now, conceding defeat was never in my nature. However, I was well aware that if there was one person in this world who could defeat me, it was Radha. And perhaps on this day, she was determined to make me experience defeat for once in my life. Yet, compelled by my nature, I made one final attempt to win and said, tomorrow, early morning, I have to leave for Mathura. The entire village will be present to see me off. I want you to come and say goodbye to me, at least then. Smile. I will wait for you. On availing her acknowledgement to come tomorrow, I felt as if life force had returned to my body. Instantly, I was filled with renewed hope and energy. I had to accept that Radha pervaded my entire being. Now I knew that I truly was Radha's Kishan. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, sir, for that wonderful reading of yours. Thank you. और एक बार, ladies and gentlemen, एक जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for हरीश भिमानी जी के लिए. बेहतरीन. Ladies and gentlemen, अब मैं आपके सामने एक ऐसे शख्स के बारे में बात करने जा रही हूँ जिन्होंने काफ़ी लोगों के दिलों को छुआ है और उन्होंने वाकई में काफ़ी लोगों की ज़िंदगी को बदला है, सिखाया है, समझाया है कि सही और सत्य के राह या रास्ते पर कैसे चलना है और किस तरीके से आगे बढ़ते जाना है. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, ऐसे संदेश, ऐसे messages हम लोग ने बहुत देखे हैं. We have heard a lot, we have read a lot about all these same subjects, same topics. But इनकी बात, जिनके बारे में यहाँ बात करने जा रही हूँ, अलग है. इनका अंदाज definitely बहुत ही अलग है और निराला भी है. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please give me that honor and I will take this privilege, of course, to shed some light on this renowned author and a great personality of the book I Am Krishna, जो आज हमारे सामने launch होने जा रही है. But इससे पहले मैं आगे बढ़ूं, इनके बारे में और कुछ दो शब्द बोलूं. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to share something very personal, a personal experience of mine. When I was asked to meet him, I had a first meeting regarding the same evening, and I never knew that he is a person who is filled in a bundle of joy and positive nature. Someone who is so easy, someone who is so relaxed, someone who is so calmed down, and a man filled with laughter. And trust me, ladies and gentlemen, by the end of our meeting, हम लोग जितने भी लोग थे मीटिंग रूम में, जब हम बाहर निकल रहे थे, हमारे जितनी भी स्ट्रेस्ड वाली जो फेसेस थी ये इवनिंग, ये शाम को लेकर, सब हंसी में बदल गई. In fact, we all left the room with laughing loud laughs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we all were so relaxed, we all were so calmed down and easygoing. And this only happened because of Mr. Deep Trivedi's easygoing, confident and positive nature. और जाहिर सी बात है ये confident और positive attitude आज उनको ये मकाम पे लेके आया है, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, he is definitely a pioneer in spiritual psychodynamics. एक बेहतरीन author तो वो है ही, बस साथ साथ वो एक बेहतरीन speaker भी है. And this I can say because he has delivered, given out lectures going wider and longer, more than 500 hours, speaking and talking about the human concept, the human lives, and on various topics regarding our society, ladies and gentlemen. Recently, an honorary doctorate from World Records University for his works. He has also held deep multiple records for his work on psychological aspects of human life, Bhagavad Gita, Tao Te Ching, and Ashtavakra Gita in Asia Book of Records and India Book of Records. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Deep Trivedi, उन्होंने लोगों को सिर्फ छुआ ही नहीं है, उनकी ज़िंदगी भी बदली है. और ये आसान काम नहीं है, ladies and gentlemen. उन्होंने उनको सिखाया है कि जितनी भी घटनाएं आती हैं, जितनी भी मुश्किल स्थिति होती है, उसको तो पार करना ही है, पर उसको एक हंसी, एक मुस्कुराहट के साथ पार करना है. और ये सिर्फ मुस्कुराहट, ये खुशियाँ हमको बांटनी भी होती है. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, on this soul intuition, this soul motivation of solving everyone's issues, everyone's problems, he has not forgot anyone who has come to him for any guidance and for any help around the globe, ladies and gentlemen. We all know his first book, I Am the Mind, was a huge success. Yes? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it was definitely a huge success. आप लोगों ने definitely पढ़ा होगा और मुझसे ज़्यादा आपको इसके बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी होगी. It was the bestseller. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, it was a module, it was a template for all those people who were in the field of psychology. And not only that, schools have taken it up in their in their educational templates, such as the Jyoti English Medium School, a leading ICSE school ने भी उनकी किताब को, उनकी book को, उनकी syllabus में include किया है. तो जाहिर सी बात ये बहुत ही बड़ी बात. एक जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for such a glorious man and for such glorious deeds. ये तो बात हुई जब वो लिखते हैं, पर जब वो बोलते हैं तो वो ज़्यादा टच करते हैं. Yes, I'm talking about these two improminent and beautiful talk shows, Deep Talks and Deep Answers, which is telecasted on Epic Channel and deeptrivedi.tv every Saturday and Sunday, and has touched, transformed great lives, great number of lives. Ladies and gentlemen, there are lakhs of people who have transformed, but there are millions still on their way and in the process. Ladies and gentlemen, हमारी ये human nature है, हमारे खून में है कि जब कोई लाइव एग्जाम्पल या टेस्टिमोनियल या डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन होता है तब हम उस पर ज़्यादा गौर फरमाते हैं. तो क्यों नहीं आपके सामने मैं लेके आती हूँ ऐसे बहुत ही प्रोमिनेंट अद्भुत एक्सपीरियंसेस, लाइव एक्सपीरियंसेस, रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस जो यहाँ आके आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे, हु वंस वर पैट्रॉन्स ऑफ हिज टॉक शोज, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. और ऐसे ही शख्स को मैं अब यहाँ बुलाना चाहूँगी जो आके हमें बताएंगे कुछ मिस्टर दीप त्रिवेदी के बारे में. Ladies and gentlemen, it would be my honor as I call the leading orthopedic surgeon of the city, pioneer in Elizarov technique and ozone therapy for spine in India, Dr. Prasham Shah, to kindly come on stage and share his experience with us. इनके लिए एक जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Prasham Shah.
Hi, good evening to everybody. I don't want to thank Ami or Deep to have called me here and say something about it, because it's my privilege that I could come here and I would like to speak about Deep. If you really go to the word Deep in Hindi, it would mean a depth, a diya. Sorry, in Hindi it will mean like a diya, like a prakash, like a light. And in English it will mean deep, that's depth, that's gehra. And this is what really the deep is. He is a real deep light. It's a real inner light. And his talks, his lectures, they are really capable of enlightening your own inner light and your eternal light. And I really mean it because I have gone through whatever I'm talking about, and when I proceed in my talk, I will be really letting you know why it happened. If you really travel into a deep tunnel which is a dark, and suddenly you see a ray of light, and you know this tunnel is going to come to an end, and you are going to enter into the light area. You have similar situations at times in your life where you are going through the darkened phase, when you are really having some troubles in your life, when your life is in turmoil and you find no solution to it. If you happen to read deep books, or if you happen to listen to his talks, or maybe you have heard his CD or DVD, I can guarantee you that your darkness of the life, your problems of the life will be almost nullified. You will really find that you are really finding a ray of hope, a ray of light, like how you are just coming out of the tunnel. And there are not one, there are multiple examples like this which even I have gone through it.